use your prospects' names. Always, always, always remember this key point, my dear friends, which will help you in your sales journey a lot. Hi Mr. Kevin, how are you doing? Hi Mr. Quresh, how are you doing? Hi Mr. Suresh, how are you doing? This name pronunciations, when you call them, always your customers, always your friends, or always who are your buyers, feed their names in your phone book, in your records, so that whenever you call, the name pops up, you can just pronounce them by name. They will feel very proud, stating that, oh my God, you remembered my name. When you call them by name, they feel pretty much convenient. They feel like you are one of your friend. They feel like you are one of their family member. So always use your prospect names. Always maintain a contact list. Call them. First ask them, how are you doing? How is life? How is everything going? Then you start with your conversation. Hey, I just called you to say that we launched a new product called so and so. I just want to let you know it might be useful for you. Always. Using your prospect names will double your sales. I'm telling you for sure. This is the key point in your sales. Always remember this. Why am I telling this? Using your prospects' names will completely change your opinion on the other customers, the other buyers. My customers, whoever call me, which I had been selling them a product which is 15 years back, till now they say that, hey Sona, how are you doing? How is life going on? Even I feel like my friends will not ask me like this with this much of owning them. They own you. They own you. They'll start owning you. They will start letting you know. And they'll, even I have my best, one of my customer who become my best friend. She's, till now she calls me and she shares every good and bad things which happened in her life, which happens in her life. We don't know who becomes what. Who becomes what. See, we first need to know the psychology of human mindset. When we are walking on a street, someone calls, hey, you, we never look back. They might be calling someone. When they call us by name, we'll just look back. Who's calling us? Because our mind is programmed by our name from the day one. When we born, from that day, we were called by name. By name. Sometimes you might have been observed it or not. Some people will pronounce our name in some other rhythmic way, which they might be from some French or they might be from some other country. They don't know to pronounce our names, but we will feel bad. We'll feel bad. But still we responded, but we will feel bad. We will have that kind of we cannot build that kind of connection with them. Always call the prospects by their names. That is very important, my dear friends. You should understand this. You should understand this. This is one of the important prospects. Even you call them, don't call sir and ma'am. I'm telling you clearly, don't call sir and ma'am until you, even your superiors or you're working in any kind of corporates, the people who are working or serving the international clients, they all knows like calling ma'am and sir is very, they don't like it. They don't like it. Call them by name. Politely. Not like, hey Steve. Hey, don't say that. Always use the name, prospect's name, use your customer's name, pronounce their names while you call them. Just don't start pitching immediately the moment you call them. When you call them, just ask their goods and bads, what's going on in their life. Never ask the customer when you call, do you have few minutes to talk? Don't question this. I call you to let you know, so and so whatever, so the reason you called for, the reason you tried to pitch him, the reason you might want to know that you people had been added on this value to their package. Whatever the services you might be providing, try to pitch them on. But don't, by the call opening only, just don't start pitching them. Always use your prospects' names. That is very, very important, my dear friends. It might look silly, or it might look very small point, but when you pronounce them with their proper name pronunciation, if you got anywhere a doubt that am I pronouncing your name correctly, I'm sorry, I apologize if I had been pronounced it wrong. I know how you pronounce your name. Check back, no issues. Check back with them, no issues, my dear friends. But make sure you call them by their name. That's one of the important keys, my dear friends. I have one of my customers, his name is Gabriel. his name is Gabriel. He used to call me at least in a month twice to ask how am I doing. Whenever he used to call me, by his voice only I used to guess, "Hey Gabriel, you called me again?" "Yes, Sona, I tried reaching you to check back how are you doing these days." Sometimes we will even able to understand their voice, who called us. We might be dealing with hundreds and thousands of people, but few will come very near to your heart. He's a 60 years old person. He's a 60 years old person who stays in United Kingdom. I was amazed till date. I know him since last 15 years. Till date, he calls me every week and say that, "Hey, how are you doing? I just called you to check back with you. Is everything fine?" "Good, good, good." Then he'll share few of his things which is going on in his life, and he'll just take few minutes. That's it. But I used to call him Mr. Gabriel, Mr. Gabriel. Then one day he requested me, "Don't call me Mr. Gabriel. I'm 60 years old. Call me just Gabriel. I feel so good that I have a friend. Some friend is inviting me, or some friend is talking to me." So be owning, they'll own you. This is one of the key points to reach them, my dear friends. I hope you are learning this. Small points, but they will make a lot of change. They'll bring a lot of change in your sales. They'll bring a lot of change in your financial conditions. They'll bring a lot of change in your lives, my dear friends. So keep rocking. I'll catch you back with the next topic. Love you all.